This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Sandra Wilder. Welcome to the perfect property for stylish design, affordability, easy living, low maintenance and a terrific location, in Naples, Florida. Featuring a brand new, high-end contemporary black and gold kitchen, a large island and apron front gold sink, gorgeous quartz countertops and top-of-the-line, high-tech appliances. Over $80,000 was spent on just this update alone. Custom detailed walls were added to the living space, flex room and owner's suite, as well as up-to-date design choices throughout, already making way for your stylish furniture. Updated LVP flooring throughout the main living area, bedrooms and flex space. Custom zebra room darkening blinds throughout. Sliders are motorized. This 3-bedroom plus flex/den/office, 2-bathroom, almost 2,000 square foot, interior living area home is sure to delight your senses the moment you walk through the front door, through your screen/covered front lanai area, perfect for a lounging area to greet guests or enjoy a morning cup of coffee with the sunrise. The exterior covered/screened lanai overlooks the lake and provides colorful sunsets nightly. This backyard is the perfect size for a manageable enjoyment space. Whether a first-time home buyer, seasonal part-time residents or possibly downsizing for the low maintenance and pricing, this home is the perfect option that is move-in ready. For more information, review the details below or contact Sandra Wilder at 239-850-1650.